guys, how are you all doing? I'm the Igbo woman that you know. This is my deliciousness. Are you seeing my deliciousness for breakfast? Are you seeing it? Hubby is here. Maybe I'll turn to Hubby in a minute. Maybe I want to put this for you. Daddy, it's not going to be bitter. This is for your health's sake, please. My husband don't like bitter things, but I'm telling him that this is for his health's sake. It's for your health's sake, sweetheart. I don't know why you like sweet things till this moment. I mean, it's for your health, sweetie. Trust me, you know that. It's even going to be more sweeter, baby. Trust me. You can't just be eating sweet. Is your hobby like mine? He will fight you if you give him anything that is not tasting sweet. He likes sweet. Oh my goodness. I like to have lemon in my avocado. Try it. This is my avocado. It's my pear. Oh, this is my pear. I thought that was apple. Green apple is very healthy, but a lot of people don't like green apple. I don't know why. My phone has been acting up. Even the introduction I did before now, I don't think it's going to be part of this video. I was supposed to share the burial we went for that I cooked. I couldn't share it because I've been trying to share it, but because of the storage problem. Like I said, my husband bought me 500 gigabytes. He bought it for $145. Yeah, he took me to Best Buy and he bought me 500 gigabytes. But my storage space, I think, is over 500 gigabytes. And I went to T-Mobile, which is the network we are using, to try to see if they can do anything. You know, these people, they are very lazy to find out what the problem is. The lady told me I have to go and subscribe online and be paying a credit card for me to be able to get the storage space. If there's anything like that, let me know on the comment section, because I told my husband he wasn't really happy with that, because he actually asked me to go and see them to see if they can help me, but they didn't help me after all. That's what it is right now. I have a camera, guys. Do you know? Funny enough, I have a camera that my daughter Emanuela made me buy. Like, it's been 3 years now, baby. Is it 2 years now? About that. Okay. It should be about 2 years now that I bought the camera, guys. I haven't used that camera. Emanuela, my daughter, was using that camera to film some things I was doing, but the things, I don't know. I don't even know. It's very confusing. I think she will tell me what the problem is, but there was a problem. I think the problem is getting out the videos. I don't know what we didn't do right with the camera. Maybe we didn't really try to know how to use a camera or something. This camera is over 1 point something million naira, and my husband also bought me a laptop then, and for some reason I can't use the camera because I don't even know how to use it. That's just bottom line, you know. So I prefer using phone because this is what I you know, like, this is what I know how to use. I didn't even know how to do editing. Emanuela taught me, yeah, you know, through a help of a friend that taught her, and she's researched and researched, and she's a pro, you know. So the little I know is what I am using. So you guys should bear with me. I have a lot of videos, I think I should quickly get the phone. My husband bought me a phone. I was supposed to have posted that video. I used my husband's phone actually to camera when we went to the store to buy the phone and everything. But I have storage problem, like I said. Like, this storage problem has been like since how many years with my other phones. I'm using another phone to film now. I'll show you the phone my husband bought me. Let me get that phone quickly. Can you guys see? This was the phone my husband bought me. And I remember I told you guys about this phone, but I'm not able to post the video. I even went to the store with my husband where he bought me a brand new pot. Beautiful and expensive pot. But guys, I've not been able to post the video. The video rather. I said the video. YouTube, and I don't go let me they chop my mouth though. So guys, yeah, it is what it is. This is the video I've been using, and this is the phone rather, and it has a lot of storage problem. Can you see what he's saying? People don't understand when I say storage problem. And right now it's making me, if I have anything that comes in like a message or a video, I just delete it. I just delete it because I'm going like, I don't want to say the wrong thing. I don't want to use the wrong word. I'm going, if you know what I mean. So guys, help me. What do you want to help me do? What do you want to help me do, guys? Let me know if you have any help for me on that comment section, because I want to really upgrade so many things. And by the way, I love to use Samsung Galaxy for my videos. This is about the 5th Samsung phone I'm using. I'm telling you guys. This is about the 5th Samsung phone I'm using, and I use it for mainly to do videos. Yes. That's how I love Samsung. I've always loved Samsung. I'm a Samsung girl. If you're a Samsung person, drop on the comment section. Cucumber. Are you going to try this stuff for your breakfast? Tell me no. Storage. That's why I'm going to post this video whichever way it is. No editing, no nothing. That's how I post my videos now. No editing, no nothing. because there's nothing to join. I can't even say, hello, how you guys doing? Hope everybody is doing well. By the way, hope everybody is doing well. How is life treating you? I've been faced with some challenges, but God is God. And I appreciate God for the gift of life. Times like that come. When you are faced with certain things you can't do anything about, but to keep pushing and believe God for the best. I hope this video finds you well. Which is to be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. This is 11-minute video. I don't know if I'm making sense, but please watch my video. And God bless you all. I love you all so much. I just wanted to just rant this morning. Maybe I'll be doing this for the meantime. Do this and post to YouTube directly. This is a wisdom that just came. This is sense. This is like knowledge. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. I love you guys. Ciao, ciao. Bye. See you soon. I love it when Flo says that. Bye bye. See you soon. Ciao, guys. Love you.